is the best resort I've been to. It's really nice. I love it here. He's the best. If you want to come to Punta Cana, come to him. Go through him.
Thank you so much.
No
Thank
problem. The best. It's the best. Great customer service.
Estamos listos.
Sí, señor.
Qué bien. Vamos a marchar. Everything is ready.
Everything is ready.
We're
Nice
set up.
transportation.
You're going back to the States.
Now we got to go back to our state. We had a wonderful, amazing time. It is the best customer service. I'm telling you, you have to come here, Punta Cana. When you come, book through him. He's the best. I'm telling you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Really.
It was an amazing experience with these people. I'm really happy to have such kind of guests. Great experience, great people. I enjoyed their stay, you know, and looks like they had an amazing experience here. And I'm really happy and excited to see our next guest at Villa Waterfall, the Dominican Republic, Punta Cana. See you soon, guys, here in Dominican Republic.